Hey guys, Mark Zuckerberg here, and in today's video I want to show you, just kidding, it's me, Adrian. And in this video I want to show off a technology called Wan 2.2 that allows for crazy stuff, just like you saw in that introduction. So it's a new model by Alibaba that's available on Wan.video. Not only can you access it there, but it's completely open source, meaning you could run it on your computer or anyone else that's hosting the model. And one of the crazy features that they have is this one called Photo Animate. And you can see right here, here's a source video that you give it. And then for the character, all you need to provide is one image, and it can create this entire thing where you control the image perfectly with a lip sync, the movements of your body, and everything else. Okay, here we are on the platform Wan.video. I decided to do it there instead of on my computer. Running this model could be relatively complex. It's a huge download and a lot of files, so just to simplify it, I decided to use it on their platform. You can use it for free, or you can get credits to expedite your renders. And before I show you the side-by-side results, I have to make an obvious statement. This is an open source model from China. You can do any single character saying anything you want, but I would not be using this to commit fraud or take someone's likeness to sell a specific product. This is just a demo video right now for Mr. Beast, and I would not be putting someone like this in an ad because it can open you up to a lot of ethical and legal issues. Okay, so once you go to the website, you're going to want to sign in, and then you're going to want to click on this generate right here, and then you're going to get this bottom bar over here. So what we're doing is we're selecting here, and normally it's going to be on video. And Wan 2.2 is a text to video model as well, similar to VO3 and all of those. So we're going to be switching to avatar because this is one of the unique things they have. And then you can do speech to video, character swap, or photo animate. So for the one that I showed right here, it was considered a character swap. So I had the target video and then the image. So I just had this image of Mr. Beast, and then I had the video that you'll see playing in the top left. I want to show off a technology called Wan 2.2 that allows for crazy stuff. Now you have standard or pro. I just put on pro. I'm not really sure if that affects the results that much. And then the other thing you have is photo animate. So basically the difference on photo animate is it's very similar to the character swap, except for it's going to be keeping the background of the original photo. So for the character swap, you can see Mr. Beast is in my studio, but for photo animate, I would have to choose a picture of Mr. Beast in which it would keep the full background of that. And I'll show you some of the other results from the photo animation feature. So yeah, honestly, this generation that I did, I thought it looked realistic. You could see that light pattern right there was kind of wacky. I had this other Mr. Beast one I did not think was nearly as good. And then if you scroll down, I had a few where it didn't detect my face, and I was kind of mad because I didn't want to have to cut between one clip and another in the introduction. I didn't want to have to chop between two different things that I filmed for both videos, but unfortunately when I took it from halfway through in this video, it wasn't detecting the face correctly, so I had to film that separate video there. And you can see the Mark Zuckerberg one is okay. I don't think it's as realistic as the Mr. Beast. Scrolling down to this is the first photo animate. So it's made off this base photo, which is an AI version nano banana of me. And then when it plays, you could see the hand gesture that it does compared to the one I did was extremely realistic. But you can definitely tell a lot of ways that this is AI. And also down here, this blur was super annoying. And if I scroll down to my other videos, notice here too, I have this giant blur or something on the bottom. I'm not really sure what causes that, but it makes the videos pretty unusable. So over here, we have another one, which is the photo animate. And as you can see, the movements of the body are pretty realistic to what I did in the video, but it is a little bit of choppy. You get this ghosting right here, the hands kind of disappear. So there's definitely a fair amount wrong with the photo animations. I think in general, it's better to do a character swap, and using a photo from Nano Banana is far from perfect when it comes to this model, and you have to cherry pick good examples. That being said, obviously there's some nefarious stuff you could do. Cloning yourself as a celebrity is obviously one of them. And honestly, we're not that far away from a hacker being able to take a picture of you and a voice that sounds like your voice, animate your video, and then send disingenuous content to someone like in your family pretending to be you, asking for information. So I would be extremely skeptical in the future of attacks kind of like that. And then here's another example where this person is pretending to be an e-girl, and I think it's overall pretty funny. I'm going to play that whole clip now. And I just want to show off a few more results. We have Sirio, a great YouTube creator. He posted this on his Twitter. He turned himself into both Sydney Sweeney and Mark Zuckerberg, and you can see his results are pretty good here. This is one where this is the driving video. He's Taylor Swift now. There's some things that are off, but ultimately it looks like a pretty good deepfake in my opinion. And then lastly, I wanted to show this one result by Shiba AI, and it really shows two things really well. It shows that the dancing and the entire body elements are replicated extremely well, and then it's also a great example of how you could take an anime character, a cartoon character, illustrated character, whatever you want, and use them as the character for your video. And one thing I wanted to go over is the credits and memberships. So you can get Pro for only $5 a month or $6.50 if you don't want to be billed annually. Honestly, I wouldn't do the annual one. And then you have credits here. So I actually bought this $5 credit pack. And one thing I noticed when creating my generations is it took about 10 minutes regardless if I was using these credits or not. So at the given moment, I don't think purchasing a credit pack from here is really worth it. I would push your free plan as far as it goes. I believe that you can generate virtually unlimited. Maybe after you do 5-6 generations, it will put you further in the queue. I'm not 100% sure on that. But if you do try this, leave a comment with your experience. And I hope you enjoyed that video covering the basics on Wan 2.2, Animate, and character swap. Now, there's a lot of applications that you can use technology like this to create stunning AI ads and sell them as a service. So if you're interested in that, I highly recommend you check out my school community, school.com/Adrian. It's over 1,500 people that are constantly using AI tools in the marketing environment, and we're building out our courses. I just released the first video on this marketing basics, which is 25 minutes, and it talks about why now is the perfect time to start an AI creative agency. So the link will be in the description for my community. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later.